I seek refuge from Allah to the evil ones. In the name of Allah, the merciful, the beneficent. I am to express my view to Nigerians and protester or protest followers, supporters. It is definitely and seriously Nigerians are in suffering. Nigerians are in hunger. Nigerians are in predicament situation caused by our political leaders of today. We need food. We need sanity and justice. But all in vain from our leaders. We had elected them into the position they are today. But they forget us. They take us as human with animal sense or character. They leave our children in illiteracy, poor education, poor health, bad roads, higher cost of living. We have nowhere to express our view, to open our mouth, complain, so that our problem will be solved, unless through leadership. Politics agree and accept protest if it is peaceful. We mean to make a peaceful protest to express our view and to express the hardness and hardship we are. I doubt if any viewer of this video will not be interested if he is really a real patriotic citizen of Nigeria. I have no country than Nigeria. I will remain in Nigeria. I will never leave Nigeria to any country as an immigrant, even though my leaders will kill me, take my life, no problem. I have those that will inherit me. And I know good people will never end in any society. Why? We elected you people. You live in good condition, good shelter with your children. Eat whatsoever you like. You leave us with a gari, without sugar, without granite. Sometimes we only drink water. Look at me. I was a strong person, hefty. But today I have emaciated. Emaciated, fully emaciated. Look at me. I want to live as you live. Good health. I doubt if our problem will be solved without making protests. We have to thanks with the eastern part of Sokoto State, Goreno local government, Gada, Wurno, Isa, Sabon Birni. We have thanks Nigerian army. Because without the Nigerian army in Goreno local government and those the above mentioned local government I had said Sabon Birni and what have you, we could have been the grave. They bring us a little peace, but surely they are not accommodated what they're supposed to be accommodated. Weapons. They don't have full weapons. How can a soldier will go to war with only Frank National rifle? No hand grenade, no rifle grenade, no life jacket, no helmet, no. I was a soldier. I had fought war in different types of countries, Liberia, Sierra Leone, and other places, even in the Middle Europe. But we dressed in combat. We were given all weapons that we deserve to have. Successfully, we maintained the respect of Nigeria there. why in Nigeria the soldiers are not being accommodated fully. That is unfair. Nigeria is a strong country. Nigeria is a rich country. But we remain poor caused by our bad leaderships. Bad leaders, cheaters, money mongers, corrupted. All those political mongols in Nigeria are bad eggs. Only a little out of them that remain silent. Why? Because their view cannot be accepted or recognized.